Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Huawei Band 8 to an iPhone. First, download the Huawei Health app from the App Store on your iPhone. It's essential to ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth is enabled in its settings. Also, make sure your Huawei Band 8 is charged to at least 20% before you begin. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful connection process. Now open the Huawei Health app on your iPhone. Navigate to the Devices section and tap Add Device. From the list, select Smart Bands, then choose Huawei Band 8. Your iPhone will search for the band. Once found, a pairing request will appear on both your iPhone and the Band 8. Confirm this request on both devices to establish the connection. After successful pairing, you'll want to customize your experience. Grant the necessary permissions for notifications, health data, and location services when prompted by the app. Take some time to explore the various watch faces available and personalize your Band 8's display. Don't forget to set up important health monitoring features, such as continuous heart rate tracking and detailed sleep analysis, for comprehensive insights. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't worry. A simple restart of both your iPhone and the Huawei Band 8 can often resolve minor glitches. Always ensure the Huawei Health app is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and compatibility. Remember to keep your devices close, ideally within a range of about 10 meters, to maintain a stable Bluetooth connection throughout the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.